Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Ordinary 5% Caffeine Solution and when you should use it and how much you should use of it. Now there are two ways on how you can apply it. The first one is you're going to cleanse your face and directly afterwards apply the caffeine solution. Or you're going to cleanse your face, then apply your toner and then move on to the caffeine solution. Either way, the caffeine solution is the first or second step after cleansing, and it's always the first serum that you're going to apply on your face before moving on with any other skincare products. Now the caffeine solution is also going to be applied on the eye contour, which is this area right here, from the inner corner towards the brow tail basically. And you don't need a lot of it. You can also use the caffeine solution in the AM and PM skincare routine, which also means that you are going to use just the tiniest bit of it, and it has also a handy dropper so that you also can control the amount that you're going to use. Now I'm going to use those two fingers for one finger per side, and I'm going to stick with one drop. And then you're going to gently apply it also on the eye contour by first going in with tapping motions on both sides. And then you can gently also apply it and blend it on the eye contour. Be gentle with your skin. Do not rub too harsh. And you're going to leave it on the skin. There's no need to wash it off. You're just going to make sure that it's nicely blended, and then later on has also enough time to also soak into the skin, as you don't need a lot of product from the caffeine solution. This is already enough. Now give it a bit of time until it has also fully soaked into the skin before you're going to move on to any other serums or directly towards your moisturizer. So this is already how you can use the caffeine solution, also how much you need of it and when you should apply it. Now I do hope that you also enjoyed this little tutorial and that you now know how you can use the Ordinary 5% Caffeine Solution. And if you like this little tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!